So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver of Gigabyte motherboard. So first you have to come this website. You can see this is www.gigabyte.com. Then this is website. You just see here the search button. You just click and type your motherboard model number B860M Eagle. Then hit enter. Then click to product. Then you can see B860M Eagle. Click on that. Then click to support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. If you are using Windows 10, you can follow that video and install driver in Windows 11 10. LAN driver. So first one, click to download. Just single click to open. Double click. Then yes. So it is closed means this is installed.